Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, overnight, once again, the Australian dollar bulls head for the 72 handle after rebounding off the lows of 71.30 support, posting a low of 71.43. From the rally, the market so far has hit a high of 72.34 and pressuring this resistance. It is assessed from a technical point that we may see one more or two challenges to the upside, but I still believe above 72.30 towards 72.65 as a sell zone. And therefore, I do expect to see a rejection and eventually see the move back towards 71.80 to 71.30. I do note as well, we've got the 60-day moving average at this stage currently holds around 73.22. And no doubt the bears will be gathering in greater numbers there. Well, the euro took a challenge to the upside once again, but fails towards the region of 117 after posting a high of 117.23. From the rejection of 117.55.65, the supply zone, as you can see clearly from back in June and in July, the market is still very heavily selling into this region. And therefore, with a little bit of divergence here, you can see the market should, again from the rejection, weaken towards the support that comes in now at 116.15 to 25, with the base still holding around 115.20.30. The dollar yen recaptures its bullish charm as the market rallies back above the 112 handle overnight. At present, after printing a 7-week high of 112.38, the market is still poised for a test up, but needs to clear the resistance of 112.50.60, which at this stage should still serve as a cap, and therefore could see a turnaround and look back towards the region of 111.45.55. Like with most of the currencies, as the US dollar is a little bit weaker, the sterling has also found its bullish charm and looks towards the resistance now at 131.60.80. It is assessed from there that the market should reject this level and maybe drop back. But do note, from a technical point, we're still holding relatively bullish from the MACD. So therefore, we can't get too negative and should not discount a challenge towards this top side. A break above there, however, and close of New York could give further scope towards 132.65. Support on the day, 130.85. No view really on the gold as it continues sideways and still locked in a range of 1,190 to 1,212. I don't have a very strong view, but one thing to note is that the MACD is breaking down a little here and therefore could see further weakness. But overall, I don't have a strong outlook on the yellow precious metal, so I remain neutral for the moment. Wrapping up with oil, the market took a stage to a rally overnight, but posted a high that doesn't appear sustainable, with the market still looking around this region of 70 to 71 as a sell zone. Should eventually see the market drop back towards the support at $67 a barrel and reassess from there. But that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.